Here's how to fix the experience is currently not available error on Roblox. First, open your game in Roblox Studio. Go to your game on the Roblox website, click the three dots next to it, and choose Edit in Studio. Once Studio opens, go to the top left menu, click File, and then select Publish to Roblox. This step is important. It makes sure your game is actually live and ready to be played. Next, click on Game Settings at the top. In the left-hand menu, go to Permissions. Under Who can play this game, change the setting to Public so others, and you, can access it. Then hit Save. After that, go back to Roblox on your browser or app, refresh the game page, and try launching it again. If it still doesn't work, go back into Studio. Click File then Publish to Roblox as, and select your existing game from the list. This can sometimes resolve any publishing bugs. Also double-check that your game has a spawn point in it. Without one, Roblox doesn't know where to place the player, and the experience won't load.